Abercrombie's fun. We're a very youthful organization. We need to be because we need to understand the target customer. We need to live that lifestyle. The other part of the equation is containing costs, investing in our infrastructure, and making really the businesses profitable. It's a function of being more efficient, and how can we not invest in technological capabilities?
When we have the capability of working with very creative people who are producing the clothing that you see around us, the marketing that you're seeing around us, and we are given the freedom to use the technology like the Cisco IP telephony solution to enhance that shopping experience.
The reason why we selected ITS for our stores is we didn't need true PBX functionality. We needed more of a key system functionality, so we naturally gravitated to ITS because it was a good fit. In our stores, we have the IP 7960 phones as a solution, and then we bring everything back to a 2950 switch, and then we use a 1760V router. We chose the Cisco access routers for our stores because it was modular and it allowed us to scale. Our stores are very excited about the new IP telephony phones. They're a lot easier to use, they're very clear, and they've been very reliable. Being able to update the speed dial list in our stores is very important. This was a manual process. Now that we're leveraging ITS in our stores, we're able to go to one central point on a server back at the home office, make one change, and that's immediately deployed to all locations. It's allowed us to reduce the time it requires to dial up on analog circuits to get the credit card authorizations, which was generally around 21 seconds. By implementing the Cisco solution, it's knocked that down to about 1 second.
We had to rely in the past on store personnel to help us troubleshoot. My team can VPN into a router and see exactly, yeah, you're on line 1 and it's not working right. A lot less frustration on my team's part. We only have 2 lines coming into the store. If those 2 lines are busy, that's it. With the ITS solution, they can be on 2 calls to the outside the store. They could call the home office or the home office could call them. We spend thousands and thousands of dollars a month on teleconferencing. Once we had this IP telephony solution in, all those calls were free. That was a big factor in our ROI.
The reason why we selected the 1760 access router for our stores is it was scalable. It had 4 slots, and it would allow us to grow our infrastructure in our store for the next 3 to 5 years. We evaluated numerous other alternatives for implementing IP telephony in our stores, but the Cisco solutions that we've implemented so far have been very reliable, so we naturally gravitated to Cisco, and we've been very pleased with the product line.
I would strongly recommend the solution to any other retailer who's putting in or has established an IP store network. If I've got the network there, why not use it for everything?